From gaffes to the gumption he showed today, how has Twitter, how has the social media reacted? Let me go across now to Shivaru to take you through that. What's the verdict, Shiv?
You can just imagine what it's been like, Padmaja. You know, the Congress has really stepped up its own social media game. So it's been fairly, an equal fight between, the trolls on both sides, people heckling everyone around. But I've just picked out a few, tweets that have actually stood out as AICC meet has trended right through the day today, along with things like Pappu and RG for 2014. But a few of my favorite tweets today, waiting for Rahul Gandhi to finish, leave, abruptly come back, tear up his own speech and declare it to be nonsense, says Nigel Brito, who's a journalist on Twitter, because that really touches upon the fact that there's so much cosmetic addition to what Rahul Gandhi has actually done, speculation about the entire makeover, about all of this being really just speculative. Hamari chai tumko bahut mehengi padegi, says Modi, says tweet somebody else, because a lot of people have been very shocked, especially on social media, Padmaja, about how Rahul Gandhi actually chose to sort of fet Manishankar Iyer on a day when he made such an offensive comment. There's another person called Ali Bukhari, actually from Pakistan, who says after May elections, Rahul Gandhi should just as well dump politics and join Bollywood for good. I think this is, of course, because of the high-pitched tenor in which he actually yelled during his speech, which has led so many people to say that this is one of his, most super aggressive speeches ever. That was Rahul's audacity of hope moment. Lots of hyperbole on Twitter about the manner in which he actually spoke. Congress talking about corruption is like Shakti Kapoor talking about sanskar, says a person called Onkar Anand. This is one of my personal favorites, largely in this real tenor. I can tell you that there's been a lot of positivity as well. Hundreds of tweets from Congress supporters and otherwise who say impressed with Rahul's speech, the best so far for any Congress leader. Not just from Congress supporters, Padmaja, but even lots of people who appear to be independent have independently tweeted saying that this is one of the most impressive speeches, both in terms of the body language, in terms of the tone, and also in terms of the content. And of course, Arun Jaitley, who's one of the newest people we've seen, joining Twitter and the social media game, Padmaja, he tweeted just after the speech saying, in 25 years, a Gandhi has not been the Prime Minister of this country. India, indeed, is changing. The Gandhis can control a party, but not the nation. A very pointed barb, obviously, at Rahul Gandhi's sort of audacity of hope moment. So, even as we speak right now, AICC meet is the top trend on Twitter. Hundreds of tweets continuing. So we're going to see this war, get more and more bitter. Lots of stuff coming up.
Well, the next war is going to be about whether that trend was genuine or not. You can expect that allegation to be leveled by the BJP very soon. We'll wait for that. Thanks very much in the meantime, Shivaru, for joining us with that quick update.